Hello, and welcome to Becoming a Master Designer. This series will describe how to design a stunning document using any software from start to finish. Check out our first video for an overview of the Gestalt principles and our second video on page layout. In this video, we'll discuss the importance of margins, a very important step to creating a great design. Margins are often forgotten about and overlooked, but they can be the difference between a bad or great document. Before we continue, you might be wondering what margins are. Margins are the space between the edge of the page and the content. They create a visual buffer between the edge of the page and the content to create a border of white space around the edge. When creating a document, it is important to consider your margins, as ignoring them will lead to clutter and disorganization. In addition, sometimes content will get cut off when printing because the margins are too small. The standard margin for an 8.5 by 11 inch sheet of paper is 0.5 inches, but you can go down to 0.25 inches if you're feeling a little wild. When it comes to printing, as previously mentioned, too small margins can lead to content being lost. It is important to keep in mind that your margins should be 0.25 inches or more to ensure your content is not lost. Whatever sized margins you choose to use, just make sure they are consistent across the document so that it remains tidy and balanced.